Hey everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July 26, 2023. Here is S&P 500 daily chart. So we have Fed meeting today. Federal Reserve just increased the rate 25 basis as expected. Verbiage was kind of like a neutral. Some people are saying hawkish, some people are saying dovish, but he was in my idea, he was pretty neutral. He said we are going to be data dependent for the next rate hike, and he didn't commit to any pause or any rate hike or even a pivot. So he was saying we had a good CPI number, which was cooled down. Job market still hot, resilient, but in a slow pace. It's just coming down to the end of the hot market. So he was hoping for another probably down CPI to just say this is the end of the rising rate. So we will see how it goes next month. We will have Jackson Hole symposium in the month of August, and then after that in September we will have another Fed meeting, which gives market kind of like a decent time to see to digest the verbiage, to digest the data, to digest the CPI and everything. So we will see how it goes. But based on the chart, today we had a kind of like a downtick for S&P 500, but buyers just recommit back again here. So we're kind of like in a neutral position right now. So it's just consolidating and consolidation, more consolidation. It's going to just give us more upside bias for price. And also SPY, which is a S&P 500 ETF, is traded 70 million today, and it was not a bad volume. Not, I mean, like better than yesterday. Yesterday 55, just Monday was 54. Today was not that bad, so it's okay. 70 million, but again, it's kind of like a far away from the threshold, which is 100 million share for SPY. So this means still institutions are going to be on the side and they're just watching the market. There is no accumulation, there is no distribution. So just institution, they don't get involved for now. So we'll see how it goes. As I said before, so we are just getting into this important pivotal area. So we had test one here in February 2022. This is April 2022, and right now we are just consolidating here. So more consolidation can give us more confidence, something like this. I would like to see August time frame, something like this. So if we just go nowhere and then consolidate here, that's going to cool down the RSI to probably our oversold condition, and also stochastic as well. And this one, I'm seeing sell signal for MACD, so I just want to see something like this. So we got sell signal here, but look what happened after that. Just a 2-3 days corrective move, and then coming down, just a zigzag upside down. And then when this one cooled down for the next rally, so when we break out to the upside, we just go all the way up to here. So whenever we are in an uptrend, so we need to have a corrective move as like a buying opportunity. So I'm still looking for a correction to here, to be honest, an even deeper correction to here, but I'm not expecting too much. As long as we are above 4,300, so we are in a bull trend. So there is nothing wrong with the market. Momentum wise, still is fine. The only problem is the longer time frame or bigger time frame, which is weekly and also monthly as well. So in monthly chart, we are just getting into kind of like overshoot to the upside. So whenever we got this momentum, we are just getting into we had this before. So whenever we had this momentum, we need to back test this SMA 20 for the next leg up. So still, we are just at 2 consecutive months, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 consecutive months in a bull run, and we just need to have like a back test to SMA 20, and then we can just say another upside move for S&P 500. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like the ugly picture for today. So Nasdaq technology, they're, as I said yesterday, they are kind of like a sensitive to Federal Reserve meeting, or they are very, very sensitive to rate increase. So right now we are just forming a bear flag. Buyers just come back here But again, if we get below this pivotal point, which is 15,283, we can go sharper sell off to here, which is gonna be ideal scenario, to be honest. 14,900, that's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. So I'm just looking for a sharper sell-off to here as a buying opportunity. I'm not shorting the market right now. Lots of people just got caught into the short squeeze, and you see that. So there are lots of just higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this one as well. So it's going to be just another higher high is probable scenario for the market as well. So we'll see how it goes. Right now, as I said, Nasdaq is just giving me kind of like a very, very early buy signal here. So whenever we got back here, so let's say this one. So when we got back here, so we nicely going up. So this stochastic here was in pretty nice area here as well. So right now we are just looking for another pivot. RSI is pretty resilient. Look at that. So RSI is just above 50%, which means we are in an obvious bullish momentum or bullish trend. So that's what I'm saying. So whenever we got this opportunity, we should just take it, just because we are in an uptrend and we need to take every oversold condition as a buying opportunity. The Nasdaq is just pretty close to giving us that one. Moving on to the US 30, which is Dow Jones. Pretty nice momentum again to the upside. Dow is just forming a doji just right at this pivot. So here is another supply area. Here's the scene of crime. And this is kind of like a breakout, a fake breakout candle, which lots of people just got caught here. And we are just getting here. So I'm just looking for a pullback, to be honest. Dow Jones, at least the first pullback could be here. The second pullback could be here, just a deeper one, as like a buying opportunity, because as you know, I'm just looking for new all-time high for Dow Jones this year. Nice reverse head and shoulder breakout above this trend line, and also this is kind of like a bull flag here as well. So all in all, lots of different patterns are working at the same time for a bullish momentum. And I was surprised some people just take a look at like an hourly chart or 4 hours chart or something, and they got into short position, which obviously this is buy, this is not short. So any pullback could be next buying opportunity. So that's what I'm saying for the Dow Jones as well. So we'll see how it goes. Momentum wise, we are pretty strong overbought condition. So we need to just cool down a bit here, and also this one needs to come down as well here. So MACD just started rolling over sign, early sell signal, but it's not confirmed yet. So we need to just take a look at the chart as well to see where we at. But I'm just looking for, to be honest, this one like a first signal for a breakout test, or that's going to be just a pullback here to this area. So we'll see how it goes. If it pulls back here, then the next level, any breakout above this, that's going to just give us a nice buying opportunity signal to the upside. For Dow Jones, we should just take a look at healthcare, banking sector, and also energy, which we will get in a bit. So rocket star for today was Meta. After hours, they just came up with earning release. So Meta just fantastically moving up after hours, 320. And this is the second position in my portfolio, if I'm not mistaken, second or third. So that's why I'm pretty happy today. And also I had Google and Microsoft. Google more a more position allocation than Microsoft. So that's why I'm happy today again as well. So today was one of the best performance in my portfolio compared to the market. I had better days as well, but today price action wise for my portfolio was amazing. July month was amazing, like 4%. I just posted in my channel, 4% gain the total, the entire portfolio just gain, and nicely we are just moving up slowly and steady, outperforming indexes as well. So this is the bottom line of being subscribed to my VIP, or kind of like SFN portfolio, my portfolio channel. So starting with yield had a nice downtick today. So yield just coming down. So Federal Reserve increased the rate, yield is coming down. So this is rollover I believe, before a crash. So that could be kind of like a hiccup and then coming down as well for the next scenario. So I'm still looking for a sell signal for yield. That could be very, very bullish for treasuries. So treasuries today had an uptick today. So nothing bad, nothing good, just a consolidation right now. It's just forming pretty nice bull flag. So if we just get above 102, then we should see a nice 103 and then going all the way up to 108. So we will see how it goes for 108. But right now, I'm just taking a look at 103, 104 as like a first resistance here. Gold uptick today. So we had a winning trade on gold today. So congratulations to those guys who came with me. So we hit second target. I'm still looking for kind of like a more target here. So this is kind of like this area, as you see here, that's going to be a neckline. And this is a nice reverse head and shoulder. So this neckline, if break out to the upside, minimum target is going to be this. The maximum target is going to be this. So the maximum target just give us pretty close to double top, or if it overshoots to the upside, that's going to be a new all-time high. So we'll see how it goes with gold, but definitely I'm pretty bullish, to be honest. I'm looking for next move, downside move. I'm not sure how far it's going to go down, but probably to here to just complete this reverse head and shoulder. It's not that complete yet, but if it goes down here in August, that would be a fantastic buying opportunity, I should say. So I'm not sure if gold can reach out to here or just a higher low here as well. So any of these two, that would be a fantastic buying opportunity for the next higher, probably a new all-time high this October, November, December. So this autumn would be fantastic season for gold, if you ask me. Crude, just a small doji positive day, so nothing bad, nothing good. Just the crude, just the consolidating here as well. So more consolidation, going to give us higher target as well. So that's what I'm expecting. VIX coming down again. So VIX sharply sold off today. So VIX just this is kind of like head and shoulder here. If we get below this, we're going to just a sharp sell off to here, and we will see how it goes. How far it's going to go lower, I don't know, to be honest, but VIX is a smash today, so that's interesting. DXY just another sharp sell off today. So as I said, this is going to be a sell, and I think this is just the beginning of the sell for the DXY. So DXY can go down to again sub 100 level and even lower as well. 95 is going to be my target for the next 6 months. Magma index, just doji bar, nothing happening. It's just forming a bearish consolidation here on this SMA 20. And then if it goes down here or here, that would be kind of like the buying scenario or just the beginning of the corrective move and bottoming formation for the next leg higher. Apple just 8 cents up. Amazon, Doji, well, not a Doji, it was Doji before, but gap down. But look what happened. Just the buyers again come back again, even after market hold up pretty well. Amazon will have earnings tomorrow, so everyone is going to be optimistic about Amazon, just because we have so far good earnings. Meta, fantastic, beat the earnings, beat the revenue. Microsoft, earning was good, expectation was good, but the guidance was weak. So that's why Microsoft was on weaker side. But Google had fantastic earning, fantastic guidance. Everything was good with Google. So Meta again. So we're just looking at this. Came up with earning, beat the earnings and revenue as well, expectation. And guidance seems like it was okay, just because market gave it a higher price and it just closed at 320. So we'll see how it goes. Microsoft just coming down today, sharp sell-off, gap down. But as I said yesterday, so that's going to be a gap down, but buyers can recommit back. And sure enough, so we had rejection from down here. So buyers just recommitting back again here to this area. And we will see. We will see. Still, we can just see Microsoft 355 if it goes above this pivotal point. Not more than that. Google had a nice move to the upside. However, sellers just took control, especially and when we are just getting to the mid session. But again, buyers are coming back. So far, so good. So nothing wrong with Google. Google needs to hold this because if it gaps down tomorrow, that's going to be ugly chart. It's going to be island reversal. It's going to be just a sub hunting level. But right now, it's okay. So if Google holds up pretty well here, even consolidation, so it can go down a little deep down to here and then moving back up again. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, I stay neutral, positive. So we will see how it goes. Netflix just $5 down, nothing bad, nothing good. Tesla just 93 cents down, not a bad price action. Semiconductor was weak today. So SMH, semiconductor index, $1.71, stocks $7.71. TSM 91 cents, AMD $2.91. AMD, not a good price action. So if you just look at AMD chart, here is kind of like a head and shoulder here. So if you just get below this, this is going to be a demand. It's going to go all the way down to here. I'm looking for AMD to here, to 82 to 87. That's going to be my spot for buy and even just the lower as well. So we will see how it goes with AMD, NVIDIA. $2.27 down, nothing bad, nothing good, just a pause day. Texas Instrument after ending, what happened to this? So this is a nice rejection, but today this gap down here. So Texas Instruments 5% down. So it goes back to here to this area, pretty nice level. I'm just looking for more consolidation for the next leg down to here, and I'm gonna buy. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just looking for more pain in this sector because this sector is overstretched, overbought. The next level that I'm gonna buy them, I'm gonna let you know. Lam Research just $7.85 to the downside. Nothing bad, nothing good. Moving to financials, they have done fantastic price action today. So financials did very well. So if you just look at the chart here, XLF is forming pretty nice consolidation here just prior to pivot, and we will see how it goes. More consolidation, more higher. KBE 3% to the downside, break out the consolidation to the upside, and nicely going up 42.10. So that's going to be kind of like a decisive moment for KBE. KRE 4% to the upside, nicely going up, exactly hit this line. Look at that. So hit this line and reject it down. So I'm just looking for this area like selling opportunity. To be honest, full disclosure, I just closed my KRE position, not because chart cannot go higher, because I needed that money to allocate to somewhere else. So that's the only thing. That's the only reason that I sold it. But any pullback on this could be next buying opportunity, if you ask me. So I'm okay with this to have it, if you have it. JP Morgan, which I own it, still I'm on it, and they're nicely consolidating here. We need to have more consolidation. This is overstretched, and we need to digest the move a little bit. Goldman Sachs, nice consolidation. Bank of America, again, consolidation. Wells Fargo, consolidation as well. Moving on to the GoldMiners, 13 cents. GDXJ, just the doji bar, nothing bad, nothing good, just the consolidation here. I know lots of people are saying this is going to be a bearish consolidation. I don't think so, just because it's kind of like giving us lower high as higher low as well. So we can just go higher and higher. If it go above this, that's going to just fail the pattern bearish consolidation, which I think that's going to be kind of like a bullish consolidation here. If you just look at the bigger picture, it can go to 41 as well. So AEM 10 cents to the upside, not a bad price action. NEM as well. So this one just 16 cents down, Franco-Nevada 81 cents down. Good price action for both Franco-Nevada and gold barracks. Look at that. So that's what I'm saying. This is a bullish flag or bull flag for the next leg higher. I'm just expecting this one coming to $19 or so. So we'll see how it goes. So moving on to energy sector, XLE, just a gap down, going back up, just regain the losses. XLE just a close 3 cents upside today. XOP 40 cents upside. OIH dollar 11 cents down, but not a bad price action. So buyers just coming back. Exxon 59 cents down, not a bad price action. Chevron as well, $1.22 down. Oxy 50 cents down, REIT 9 cents down. So all in all, when I just look at the chart, everything looks good with energy, bank, and also healthcare as well. So we will see how it goes for now. Tomorrow we will have Amazon earning, and next week we will have again more earnings as well. So just buckle up, still earnings season. Just I believe started this week. Not literally, but I mean like the important stocks and businesses just releasing their earnings this week as well. So we will see how it goes. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you tomorrow on the chart. Bye-bye.